to create a character in Google Flow, so all you just have to do is click on this button. Then once you click on this button, you would see this. You can just click on an empty space to ignore. Then you come down here. So I have my prompt already. So you can use any of these prompts to create your own character, or you can upload from here. Then you can choose the Manano Banana that you want. Me, I'm going to choose Pro because that is the highest of all, right? So I'm going to paste my own prompt here. You can copy it and use it, but this is the first time I'm putting it, so I don't know what it's going to give to me. So let's try this. Okay, so it generated this character for me, right? So it's not bad, but let's see. The next thing we need to do, we can name this our character. So I'm gonna name him Alvin. So naming him Alvin is one thing. Then the next thing is going to be voice.
Hi there. We're introducing a new feature where I can read.
So you may not be able to hear the voice, right? So I chose one that is, not too you know quickie, but for this tutorial we can add a voice here. You can give more info about your character here if you want, and we can click on done. Now once we've created this character, note one thing you need to understand is, take for example, now if I go back, right, I have different folders for different created this thing. So now this character works for this folder, the character may not work for this, right? So that is why whatever you're going to be building with this character will be built in this design file. So now let's generate a scene with this character. So I'm going to select this, then I'm going to select my character, I'm going to select Alvin, then I can write a prompt. So my prompt, my character in a car on a bridge where cars are flying. So let's see what this is going to give us. So I'm going to allow this times 2, not video yet, then I'm going to click on send. Okay, so generation is done, and I can see that my character is somewhat consistent. So I didn't give it some precise prompts to, you know, make some certain things consistent, right? So I think I like this, right? So yeah, this is one way to create your character, and I think the best way to improve your character is if your character can have like maybe back, front, top, giving it specs, right? So for example, now you can add character and you can maybe say side view, back view, and everything, then add everything here. Or the first prompts that you would put, maybe you generate it from cloud, you can tell it I need a character of I need my character front view, side view, back view, everything, so that whenever you are using it, the character would be well used very well. So that is one way to use your character and use it very well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.